Gazans flock to fence for 69th week of protest. Israeli forces injured journalists covering protest. Saudi Arabia to let women travel without permission. UAE and Iran signs MOU on border security. Turkey can make Syria safe zone without US agreement. Syria, Assad regime declares conditional truce in Idlib. Al-Qaeda linked group attacks kills 17 Yemeni soldiers. Tunisia nomination begins for presidential election. Ethiopia releases 121 of 355 nabbed over link to COP. Crucial round of US-Taliban talk to begins in Doha. Afghan forces claim killing 25 Al-Qaeda affiliates. India mediation fails in Babri mosque dispute.